let me share with you 7 AI side hustles you can do part-time, you can do at your own convenience, and you can even do it at night to start earning extra income for yourself. Let's get started. Side hustle number 1, AI content creation. Anyone can use AI to generate high quality and engaging content. Yes, I know that a lot of brands, they frown at it. They tell you that they do not want you to use AI. But the truth is that they can't even differentiate between AI written content and what a human being wrote. And spoiler alert, most AI written contents are far better than what a human can write. This is my 15th year as a copywriter, so I know exactly what I'm talking about. In fact, AI could tell stories now. AI could put some data, credible data, and make sure they are verified. AI could put tables, things that were very difficult for us as writers to do all by ourselves, but now AI simplifies the process. There are so many ways you can monetize AI content. You can create content for your blogs and then monetize with digital ads. You can also sell your writing services on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr and make money from it. And you can also create digital products that you can now package as ebooks or as online courses and models, and then package it and sell it for more money. You can also use AI written content to promote affiliate products, which can earn you commissions in the process. So you need to start experimenting with AI content creation. Don't think they are low quality. No, AI is getting better, and AI written content is learning and becoming even better. The second AI side hustle that you can tap in today is AI powered virtual assistants. The virtual assistant helps with tasks and menial jobs for businesses. So you can use AI to automate tasks, repetitive tasks like scheduling, email management, and also research. Research right now requires AI. Social media management requires AI. So you can also offer your virtual services on marketplaces like Upwork and Fiverr and make money in the process. You can also create productivity tools using ChatGPT and create automated tools that you can now use. Make sure you learn some project management tools that can help you collaborate with clients like Asana, Notion, Monday.com, whatever you can do. And the third online side hustle is AI social media management. Today, social media is becoming the norm. It's becoming the normal thing we all do. But businesses do not have time, and online creators do not also have time. So they need you to help them manage their social media activities. You can use AI to automate posts, automate tweets, automate all manner of it. And you can even monetize by charging hourly. So you can charge anywhere from $50 to $100 per hour. Yes, I've seen people doing that. And you can also sell your services on social media. And you can also charge on retainership. So you charge about $500 to $1,000 every single month to manage the activities for them. Get very good at AI social media management. You need to create an account, grow it with a tool like Sprout Social, Hootsuite, or whichever buffer or whichever tool that is out there that uses AI to automate social media. Grow your own social media account, maybe to about 2,000 followers or subscribers or 5,000 and above. And then you now have a proof that you know exactly what you're doing. Then you can use that as a stepping stone to land even bigger deals from creators and businesses, especially B2B businesses that want to become very relevant on social media, but they don't know how to do it. So make sure you grow yours before you start reaching out to clients. Fourth AI side hustle is AI powered e-commerce. So you'll be using AI to optimize your online store, personalize product recommendations, and improve customer service. So many ways to monetize your AI e-commerce services. You can sell products online. You can create and sell your own products and also drop ship from other places like AliExpress and other manufacturers as well. So you can also offer e-commerce consulting services, because now you use AI to do it, so it's a lot easier for you because you're going to automate the entire process. There's an AI tool that writes product descriptions. There's an AI tool that helps you write copy for your Facebook ads and for your TikTok shop. There's an AI tool for everything. So find that AI tool and then use it to your own advantage instead of just frowning at it or getting angry that AI is going to take all the job. Use it to start making money for yourself. So to leverage AI to run e-commerce, you need to understand how e-commerce works, and it's not difficult. Start by learning how e-commerce platforms work. So you could start with Shopify. Shopify has a lot of resources and it has a lot of supporting teams and community that can really help you understand every aspect of Shopify. You can also learn WooCommerce and Drupal. There are so many e-commerce platforms out there that you can master. You start by mastering one and then use it as a benchmark or as a blueprint to learn others and then sell other services related to e-commerce as well, especially online advertising for e-commerce stores. AI tools can do virtually every aspect of online ads, running an online ads. Even for Facebook, you can automate Facebook ads today with AI tools. So learn how to use a specific e-commerce tool and then use it to your own advantage. Also, number 5 is AI-based tutorial. We know that online learning is the norm these days and is growing by the day. So you can now use AI tools to create personalized learning experiences for people. So if you have an online store or an online course, rather than doing it all the time, you can use AI to automate some of the tasks based on people's interests, needs, and then preferences. To filter and then choose the models that are relevant to them. So rather than going through hundreds of models, they can just choose maybe 20 models that are relevant to them, which means that your online course will be very relevant to beginners, it will be relevant to intermediate learners and also advanced learners. All they have to do is to choose whichever model they want through filter, and AI tools can help you achieve that. So remember that when you set up an AI tutoring platform, you can also monetize with one-on-one coaching by coaching students or those who want to learn that particular skill that you're offering. So you can charge hourly, you can charge up to $50 per hour if you're offering a high in-demand skill that people really need, such as programming, such as web development, or any of those programming languages you want to really teach people how to get started. You can charge up to $50 per hour, or you can bring it down a little to $30 per hour to gain momentum. Then later on, you can increase your fee. So you can also create and sell online courses on Udemy. You can also create it on platforms like Kajabi or Thinkific. In fact, these platforms like Thinkific, they have a lot of AI tools that can help make your online course creation even easier. So start taking advantage of all of these tools today, because the world is getting easier because of AI. But make sure that you're choosing a topic that you're really passionate about when it comes to online course creation, and so that you don't get burnt out and you want to always be fired up each time you want to create content, or you want to talk to people, or you want to answer questions. If you're not interested in that topic, it becomes a chore. It becomes a tedious assignment that you give to yourself. It becomes another 9-to-5 job that you hated, that made you to embrace this working from home opportunities. It's AI-powered design. We all know that there are so many tools that can help us with graphic designs and logo design. Tools like Canva can help you with every aspect of graphics, your brochure, it could be your logo design, it could be your ebook cover, it could be your thumbnail design. You can learn it, and Canva is so easy. And Canva is now introducing a lot of AI tools as well that you can start using today as well. Mostly for branding materials like logos, you need Looker.com. Looker is an AI tool that you just give it a prompt and it will generate some AI designs for you that you can now tweak and customize it to your own liking. Besides your AI design services, you can sell your services on Upwork as well. You can also sell your design services on Etsy and other places as well. This is for the technical guys out there. Data analysis, data science, whatever you want to do that requires large amounts of data, you can use AI to now automate it, because ChatGPT can help you sort databases of contacts, of information on millions of people, and you can use AI to do that. So you can go to B2B companies that are struggling with sorting out huge data of their customer base, and you can use AI to automate it. The most important thing here is privacy, data protection. So you need to have a system in place to protect that data and their privacy. And if you do that, you will really excel in this line of business, because data analysis is critical and not too many people know how to do it, but AI can help you achieve that.